2-ingredient weight loss tonic you should drink every morning on an empty stomach. I started making this morning drink as a simple way to encourage cell health and prevent cancer, but the truth is it actually has many benefits that everyone should take advantage of. It features 2 health food superpowers, raw honey and apple cider vinegar. Benefits of raw honey. Antioxidant. Scientists have discovered the power of consuming raw honey. One study found that it is packed with a variety of antioxidants, especially the milfy type. These substances act to slow down and even prevent the damage of cells in your body. Also, it has been shown that antioxidants can reduce cancer cells in the skin, prostate, and lungs of people already diagnosed with the disease. Antibacterial. Research shows that raw honey has antibacterial properties. Specifically, it can be used to heal wounds, as it fights bad microbes. In fact, medical-grade honey can be used to fight bacteria that has become resistant to prescribed antibiotics. Dental health. While some people only think of it as a sweetener, raw honey can be used to treat gingivitis. The gum disease can cause symptoms like red and tender gums, bleeding gums, loose teeth, pain from chewing, and bad breath. Raw honey is a great natural alternative to the antibiotics that are normally prescribed for gingivitis. Benefits of apple cider vinegar. Control blood sugar. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can lower glucose levels in your bloodstream, especially when consumed before a solid meal. This is especially good news for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Weight loss. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to improve digestion and encourage weight loss. It does this by helping you to feel full, satiated, after you eat. Say goodbye to cravings between meals, and hello to ACV. One study found that consuming apple cider vinegar with a meal improved the fat profile of lab rats with and without diabetes, posing a potential benefit for humans at risk of type 2 diabetes. Why an empty stomach? There is a way to make the most out of all of these health benefits, and it's all about timing. We recommend drinking this honey ACV mixture first thing in the morning before you eat your breakfast. Normally, when you take the first bite of a meal, it immediately activates your stomach, which prepares to break down whatever you swallow with its powerful stomach acid. But, by taking honey ACV before a meal, the stomach doesn't stretch or produce excess stomach acid. Instead, most of the mixture ends up being absorbed by the intestines. It is also thought that consuming this on an empty stomach will ultimately help your body to digest it faster than if it were combined with several servings of food. How to take honey ACV in the morning. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon raw organic honey, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 cup water. Directions: mix well in a glass. Drink at least 20 minutes before breakfast. Special note: consult your physician before deciding to take this mix on a regular basis. Since apple cider vinegar can affect potassium levels and bone density, it's important to make sure you're not at risk of health complications. Find the right, safe amount for your body.
See what happens when you eat garlic on an empty stomach. Not everyone thinks that eating garlic on an empty stomach is beneficial. You may often hear people say that it is only your grandmother and her friends who think that this home remedy is really beneficial. However, it is actually quite effective in preventing and treating many diseases. Scientists have conducted many studies and the results showed that when you consume garlic before you eat or drink anything will only increase its power, making it an extremely strong natural antibiotic. Why is it more effective when you eat before the breakfast? The bacteria are overexposed. so they cannot defend against its power. Why is it good to eat garlic on an empty stomach? Many people have found that garlic can actually relieve the symptoms of hypertension. It not only regulates the circulation, it also prevents various heart problems and stimulates the proper function of your liver and bladder. Garlic is also efficient in treating stomach problems, such as diarrhea. Some people even claim that garlic is an amazing remedy for nerve problems, but only when it is consumed on an empty stomach. As we already mentioned, garlic is really effective in treating stomach problems. It stimulates proper digestion and good appetite. Garlic will also help you to control your stress, and thus stop the production of stomach acid that your body produces every time you get nervous. Garlic is popular for its health benefits in every part of the world. That is the main reason why people started calling it a healing food long ago. Garlic and alternative medicine. In alternative medicine, garlic is considered to be one of the most efficient foods when it comes to detoxification. Medical practitioners in this branch say that garlic is so powerful that it cleanses the body from parasites and worms, prevents diseases like diabetes, typhus, depression, and even some cancer types. If you are allergic to garlic, take two important things into consideration: never eat it raw, and if you still get any skin outbreak, high body temperature, or a headache, stop consuming it. Some studies have shown that the consumption of garlic can sometimes have side effects in patients that take medications for HIV, AIDS. Pay special attention to this health conditions and be extremely careful. Make sure garlic is safe for you before you start consuming it. Its strong smell and taste should not stop you from using all its health benefits. Garlic supplements are a great substitute for raw garlic, and even in that form you can still take advantage of its benefits. Other health benefits of garlic. Garlic is good for the respiratory tract. It is amazingly efficient in preventing and curing tuberculosis, asthma, pneumonia, catarrh, bronchitis, chronic bronchial catarrh, lung congestion, and cough. In cases of tuberculosis, try this garlic-based treatment. Eat the whole garlic bulb during the day. Split it in a few portions, and consume it in any way you find preferable. The best results are obtained if you eat it raw or lightly roasted in the oven. It makes a great sauce when combined with an egg yolk and some oil. Avoid boiling the mixture, as the garlic will lose many of its healing properties. Make a special infusion if you need to treat any type of bronchial disease. Use 7 ounce/200 grams of garlic, 24 ounces/700 grams of brown sugar, and 33 ounce/1 L of water. Boil the water together with the garlic, then add the sugar. Take 3 tablespoons a day. Garlic extract is really efficient in treating chronic bronchitis. You need 1.5 ounces/40 grams of garlic and 3.5 ounces/100 milliliter of 90 proof alcohol, 45% alcohol. Chop the garlic and put it in a bottle, then pour in the alcohol. Seal well. Leave it for 5 or 6 days, and strain. Take a cup of this remedy every day. It also lasts for a long time. You can use the same remedy to treat catarrh and asthma. For this health conditions, add 15 to 30 drops in some hot water. If you cannot stand its taste and smell, add some mint extract. In this way you will also change its power. Garlic can be also used for external applications. Use it as a poultice over the abdomen to relieve cold. Apply it directly on an insect or poisonous animal bite. Small amounts of garlic will help you to remove warts, and these skin growths will fall off without any pain. You can use it to relieve toothache. All you have to do is put a small piece on the aching tooth. The list of its health properties seems to be never-ending. Garlic also cures hemorrhoids, constipation, and earache. If you want to treat hemorrhoids and constipation, boil some water and add a good amount of garlic. Keep the infusion in a container that will allow you to inhale the steam. Inhale until the water gets cold. To treat an earache, squeeze out some of the garlic juice and put 1 or 2 drops in the aching ear. What should you remember? Garlic provides a great number of health benefits and protects your health as long as you eat it regularly. Use its healing properties every day, and you will sure see some improvement in your overall health. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.